Hello everyone, welcome back to your favorite channel on YouTube for learning maths content, which is Mathwites. So, before we get into the video, be sure to subscribe and leave a comment below saying I subscribed so that I can come to know who all are showering their love and support to us. Thank you so much, and we will personally try to reply each of your comment. Well, moving on, today in this video, we are going to learn about additive inverse. Yes, additive inverse, which many of you find difficult, but we will try to learn it in a very easy way in this video. So let's start. Well, additive inverse of a number is a number which when added to the original number results in 0. Once again I'll repeat. Additive inverse of a number is a number which when added to the original number results in 0. This number is also known as the opposite, sign change and negation. So let us try to find out the additive inverse of a positive number now. Okay, so the additive inverse of 8 will be, see, it is plus 8, right? It can be written as 8 or plus 8. So its additive inverse will be minus 8 because 8 is positive number, right? 8 is a positive number. So its inverse will be negative number. So plus 8. So answer is minus 8. Okay, same way if we want to find out the additive inverse of a negative number. So before I give you an example, you can try to take any negative number and you can try to match your answer with us so that you can also better know that whether you are understanding it or not. See, I told you that the inverse of addition is subtraction. So obviously the inverse of subtraction is addition, right? The inverse of addition is subtraction and vice versa. Okay, so now if I'll take any negative number, like for example, if I take minus 17, okay, for example, if I take minus 17, then the additive inverse of minus 17 will be plus 17. See, the negative sign will be converted into positive sign. Just remember one thing, that inverse means opposite. Inverse means opposite. The opposite of addition is subtraction and the opposite of subtraction is addition. Okay, so if you want to find out the additive inverse of a positive number, in answer the sign will be negative. And if you want to find out the additive inverse of a negative number, then in answer the sign will be positive. Moving on, now if you want to find out the additive inverse of a positive rational number. Now positive rational number, what are positive rational numbers? Well, if you have not watched our video on rational numbers yet, do go through that video. It will be very beneficial for you. You will come to know about what are rational numbers, what are their types, what is the need of rational numbers, and so many other things. You can see that link on top of this video also. You can press on that too, or you can directly go to the channel and watch the video. Okay, so let's come over here. So additive inverse of a positive rational number which is having positive sign. Okay, so it is plus 4 by 7. Remember that plus by default, if no sign is there, we take it as plus here. Okay, so plus 4 by 7 or 4 by 7, the additive inverse will be minus 4 by 7, and this minus sign you need to take care of. Okay, you need to remember this minus sign very well. Alright. So additive inverse of plus 4 by 7 is minus 4 by 7. Now let us try to take the additive inverse of a negative rational number now. Okay, now here they are negatives. We want to find out the additive inverse of a negative rational number. So negative rational number obviously will mean here the sign will be minus. Okay, here the sign will be minus. So here if the sign is minus, then obviously additive means addition, inverse means opposite, and opposite of addition is subtraction. but here already it is negative sign. Okay, so opposite of negative is positive, and positive sign we can write also, and it can be written like this also. So we will just remove the negative sign, so it will become plus 3 by 20 or 3 by 20. Okay, now let us take the additive inverse of a decimal number. Of a decimal number. Same rule will follow. If we have plus sign over here, okay, there is no sign, means it is plus sign. So if we have plus sign over here or no sign over here, it will become negative. Okay, so it will become negative. So here we have negative number, right? So here we have negative number. Alright, so plus will become negative now. Okay, plus will become negative now. So now next, if we want to take the additive inverse of a negative decimal number, there is a decimal number but it is now negative. So the final answer will be positive decimal number. Okay, positive 6.4 or plus 6.4, or you can write without the plus sign also, you can write it as 6.4. Alright, so 6.4. Let's quickly revise additive inverse once again. Let me explain it to you. Inverse just means opposite. Inverse means opposite. Okay, so in additive inverse, you just have to find out the opposite of whatever is given. The opposite of whatever is given. If plus is given, you will convert it into minus. If minus is given, you will convert it into plus. That's it. Whether it is a natural number, a whole number, a fractional number, a rational number, or a decimal number. If there is plus sign and you want to find out the additive inverse, the answer will be in minus. And if there is minus sign and you want to find the additive inverse, you will convert it into plus. I hope it is clear to you now. Do take more examples. Do take different type of numbers. Try to find out their additive inverse. And if you like our videos, then never ever forget to click on the subscribe button. Do press that red subscribe button. We need your encouragement. And those who have already subscribed, thank you so much. The videos I'm making just for you only. Do like our channel on YouTube. The name is Math Vibes, and do share it with your friends and family, and keep on showering your love and support. Thank you. Bye bye.